Welcome to this video. Today we're talking about how to use Aircash. So friends, this is a platform finance and transfer money. You can use this Aircash app easily without any problem. Just go to Google, search for Aircash. This is the keyword. You should be download the app if you have a mobile or your devices is mobile. Download this app. After download your app, you have the different section. Friends, here you have a withdraw section. From this section, you can withdraw your money, and then you have a send money. You have a marketplace. From this marketplace, friends, you can pay from Aircash. So, guys, basically, you can pass and ferry tickets. You can scan and pay. This is option to pay bills. Just click pay bills if you want to pay your bills. Go to home screen and then click scan and pay bill and then confirm your payments. As you can see here, click scan and click pay button, and then you can QR codes. You can pay bill through your QR codes. So friends, this is for pay bills. If I go back from here, you have actually also different option here. You have a parking, gaming, ticket. If I go to ticket, you can open Aircash and the marketplace. You can select your ticket from here from your app, and you can choose your ticket to receive any spot. If I go back, guys, you can also have a PlayStation. You have this one. This is for PlayStation. You can select and then you can redeem your transaction and play. So friends, actually, you can get a Vignet this option to select any car from here. This is for car. You can buy your car from this section. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. This just download this app, register and tap your cash, and then you can start using your app easily without any problem.